things I play. But see, when it comes to work, don't play with Shatta Wale. When it comes to my work, hey, you go find them. You go ask my father. My father said, "No, how serious maybe when it comes to work." I dey read my own contracts. I dey go through my own papers. I dey do things, everything very raw, and just then we sit down as a team, then we discuss what you say. If it make sense, I go take them. If it don't make sense, take it. No, I no go take them. If like boy, if like vex, I don't mind, because it not be you way go fit buy my S class. It not be you way go fit buy my Range Rovers. It not be you way go fit buy me my Mansons where I buy. It not be you, because the mindset I get, you don't get them to buy. So you know if you can't do my body, then if I talk to you about work, then you vest, then you go out there, they tell people, oh, Shatta Wale there, oh, you know, say me, I'm there, no, where I take headphone. As I take headphone, I say, he sack me. So everybody go see, Shatta there, why, you no get sense. Eh. You see everybody where you see, say they come about the way they go, they no get sense one bit. From blade, bone, stone, good of evil, everybody, they no get sense one bit. They no get sense one bit. Make nobody see them like they get sense. They no get sense, me I tell you, because they don't know what is work. They won't come deal with me like, yes, we'll be friends. But when friends start to work, it will be work. After work, then we come to friendship. What are you talking about? So we go there, then people will see I'm like, oh, you my buddy, why they send me? Hey, why they send you? I they send you to go collect money for somebody in there. You say, why they force you go collect money? And they tell you, say, no, some people won't call me for Cape Coast social show. Go see them and just, you know, by 8 o'clock, if I go there, then you wake up 12, you know, you been like, your eye open. Hey, then you start, I go insult you, man. Because it be my thing. So the best thing be say, it be me for wake up and go the place. Because they post say 8 o'clock. So I'll go the place. Ask them how many times I did get opportunity. Me now, they wake up, dress nicely. I wear my kaftan. I say, no, let me just look nice. No, I just, me alone, I did drive. I did go sign contract. No, ma, I come. They go their house. They bring $200,000, $300,000 for them face. Hey, Charlie, hey, one done, you be champion. Your mother. What's here? If you do same thing, they teach you, make you do some, make you get some money for yourself. But they don't want to listen. If they can't do Facebook, then they won't talk like they see camera. Me, if I see camera, you see the camera where they watch right now, I they tell camera my peace of mind. Because me, camera, no, they make I feel like I be star, I be this, I be that. All the people, they know me, they know say those days, I if you wear rubber chain, and if you wear this chain, and if you wear this. Right now, with diamonds where I wear from my neck, in my life. So I don't they fake anything to anybody. I see camera, and I say, Charlie, ladies, Charlie, yeah, the things I don't want to talk about, just say, some people, yeah. Hey, me, I'm not dealing like me. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. If you not say you are not serious with life, then don't come into my territory as my fan. If you not say you are not serious in life, then don't come to me, say, one done, I they believe you. If you are not serious in life to make them, you can't be in my road. You can't be in my lane. But then me and boys, they feed it. Then no, you go leave me. Then you don't go one can talk, say, no, as I deal with them, I don't know what I do. Hey, you don't know what you do. When they lie like that, you know go on. Check everybody where they leave me. They know they go on. God know they bless them. God know they bless them. They won't farm people. Plenty of them will right now, they're Americans. They didn't even collect visa for them. Plenty. They did there right now. If you say the visa you they hold, if you say you get opportunity for top, when it really accepts, say, Charlie, I wrong Shatta. Shatta, they talk to me about the work. But it make like a fuck up. Yes, you fuck up. You fuck up. You fuck up. Big time. But what they tell the fans? Oh, Charlie Wale there, you don't know him. We deal with them where they tell you this thing. If you understand, we deal with them. The guy in life be some way, Wale there in life be some way. You people want to follow the same trend because some people easily believe that that's how Shatta is. I like that. But you see, God won't make some people even leave my body before I buy my private jet. I tell you these fans today. Me the dream I get, if they make my brain, they pay me, not in my head, my brain. My brain. If you ask my father, I go tell you, me, my son, he always in brain. My brain, they pay me, not in my head. My head, not the fee aching. No. My brain, the thing, they pay me, they pay me. So if you put there, where if you sit down and think, say, but why these boys, when they come Shatta in there, no, then they leave them? Why if they come, no, then they leave them? My friend, they be lazy people. They're not ready to work. They come because, yeah, God bless me. I get fans. So yeah, they come, do like, they want to do like, yeah, one down, yeah, for life is for life, yeah, daddy, yeah, fuck it, anybody where they call me daddy, yeah, they want the person with 2 eyes, and they want the man, then go watch your daddy. You sell out very soon. I know all of them, from the militant, from Natalie, Joint 77, Adisel, Captain, I know all of them. From the people where me I work with, I know all of them. The time me and they start my music, I don't know any of them. And they don't know me. It be music where they can't hear about me. Osia, you militants, you did all your songs where I put out, or one self don't know where you go right. One song where you know the way you go right. Line by line, say B, D, E, F, G. I teach you all. No be one line, said we one line. One line. Then some people go there, then they go talk, say, what are they do to the militants? What are they do to the militants? Hey, I say I bake bread. Where I say the bread no good. If you say the bread good for, go chop them and eat. If you die, don't come blame me. Say I cook bread for you where the bread no good. You know me I cook. What kind of nonsense with this? What kind of nonsense with this? When human beings not sit down and just think, say, no, these things, the thing that they do, Shatta Wale, good, but the moment they leave Shatta Wale, then another opportunity come. The moment they leave them, then another opportunity come. The moment they leave them, then another opportunity come. How is this thing happening? Let me just sit down as a normal human being to study this thing and undergo certain things, make I just understand how or why is this thing happening? None. But somebody go there, Shatta there, the way they sack their boys. Corona will come. You go check companies, they sack plenty people. Not be even Corona. Before Corona, you can't be in a bank, come work at 8, then you come at 10. You go home. Take your pride and everything and sit in your house. You work, how they do? I just they do work. Not make nobody see me say, my heart they come, my heart they come. Hey, like your heart they come. Make Rana, make you get money. Make somebody they can give you pressure. You will see the way your heart will come. Don't let us think like we are myopic, we are short-sighted, like we can't see far. You see, make I tell you, you see, at the self Natalie, Joint 77, I sacked them. I shot it before January. Or in the middle of January or something. Long time. That's when I give them a pass and they go. Long time. But they did the group pages inside. Then they put some nonsense songs inside like it be me I write for them. And I don't want that dent to be on me. I don't want that image. Because the kind of things that they tell them say, hey, Adisel, you sha. Joint, you sha. Hey, Natalie, you sha. Captain, you sha. Make you people do song. Make the fans feel proud of you. At least, people go get some of the fans. Make them to support your music. They need to go get money for top. Boys say they know they understand. Adisel, if they feel gang up, then you are Adisel where you know they feel right there. You feel gang up. If they play beat for you, where you know they feel enter. If they feel gang up with Joint 77, Natalie, Captain, every time say one done they from fool you people. You see that stupid life way some people can show me some time ago way. I know mine. That's why I mean somebody even get talent. If I see the person like take your talent, because somebody get talent where you no get sense. Take your talent. At itself, it the gang, the militants. They start going interview. They do them a song. They go do some song. Mandela. As if they did the way apartheid come for South Africa. They go do song Mandela. It all be at itself manipulation. Challenge in born or at you defeat captain say you born you born. Cause yeah, if you pay me a born. And if you be man, don't come live. If you be man and they tell you don't come live, come they do like you won't talk big boy. Because if I see you for road, I go beat you. Because the things that they do for you, your mother, your father said no they do for you. Don't come live and can't do like you won't come sit camera top. Because if I see you for road, I go beat you. Because the kind of money you I give you at yourself, your mother and your father not give you before. The kind of things you are do for you at yourself, your mother and your father not give you before. Not be you alone. George Samuel, Natalie, Captain. You people what you know. But if you can sit media because everybody get phone. So if you can sit down and they talk no